Today we'll be crocheting this rubber band holder. So to start, we are going to take our green yarn and now we are going to make our magic ring. So after making our magic ring, we are going to chain 1 and we'll be making a total of 6 single crochets into this magic ring. So just continue making your single crochets until you have 6 single crochets into it. After having 6 single crochets, we are finally going to pull the smaller string to close it. Now we are going to make our slip stitch into the very first stitch right there, like that. Now we are going to chain 1 and we are going to make 2 single crochets into the same space. So this is what we are going to do in all of the stitches. So that means we are going to have a total of 12 single crochets for this round. That's your round 2. So just go on making 2 single crochets in all of the stitches until you have 12 single crochets. So here I have completed my 12 single crochets. So to close round 2, we are going to slip stitch into the very first stitch. Now we are going to chain 1 to start with round 3. So for round 3, we are going to make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Then we are going to make 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So again into the next stitch we are going to make 1 single crochet. Then we are going to make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So like this you have to follow the pattern as mentioned above. So once you reach to your 9th stitch, after that we are going to make our 10th stitch like this. Your rubber band should be in between and your 11th stitch will be like this, and you have to continue making your increases and you will be continuing your pattern after that, like 1 single crochet and then you have to make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So into the last stitch, that will be your 18th stitch, you are going to make your slip stitch over the rubber band like this, and you have to chain 1 to start with round 4. So for that the pattern will be, you have to make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then again 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then into the third stitch you have to make 2 single crochets. So like this you have to follow this pattern until you have 24 single crochets for this round. So lastly, once you reach your 24th single crochet, you have to simply slip stitch into the first stitch and you have to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is what we made. So this is what the base is ready for, so that we can attach our flower to it. It's completely customizable, but this is the base that needed to be made so that you could make your flower rubber band. Once it's ready, you can make it however you want to.